If you guys are still using bot to do your meme coin trading, just stop. We have a new bot on the block, soulsniper.com. I'm going to be going over this. And in this video, we're going to be doing some live sniping. So this is the latest in sniping technology. There's just no other bot I've seen like this. So unlike bot, we're going to get you in the trade automatically, but we're also going to get you out. A lot of you guys have been asking, how do I set a take profit? How do I set a stop loss once I'm in the trade with a robot? Soul Sniper can do that. See, it's automate all your trades fully. Okay, that's in and out, full protection with stop losses. I'm going to be demoing that live with you guys. Like I said, we're going to be doing a live trade in a few, but it's just one thing on this website that I really want to highlight right here. I want you guys to read that, okay? Avoid scams and rug pulls with advanced token filters and security checks. Bam, right there. This is why Soul Sniper is my favorite bot right now. Like I said, I used to use bot, but I have to put that to the side. I want you guys to check this thing out. Stick with me. It's going to be awesome. A lot of you guys have been complaining about rug pulls, getting scammed, because you know how the meme coin industry is. A lot of these meme coins are garbage. Finally, we have some protection and we don't have to manually do this stuff. Okay, this is fully automated. In the free plan, we can basically check out the bot. We could just test out the basic filters. It also has custom RPC endpoints. Now with the premium plan over here, which is what I have, is coming in at about 99 bucks a month. And I'm going to show you why in a few it is totally worth it. So of course we get everything in the free plan, the basic filters, we get the custom RPCs, but here we go. Look at this. Top 10 holder percentage. Remember just a few seconds ago, I was talking about rug pulls. This is connected to our rug pulls. We're going to keep your money safe. We can check token bundle percentages. We can check token same block buys. So lots of features here in the premium plan. I'm so excited, guys. Hit that like button. So finally, we have all the features that we have been longing for in a meme coin bot. Okay, we're going to get you in the trade. We're going to take profits. We're going to set our stop loss. We're going to catch meme coins as they're launching. You guys know meme coins are launching every 8 seconds. So if you guys want to snipe these meme coins with me on full autopilot while avoiding rugs and scams, stay tuned to the end of the video. Like I said, live trades is coming up right now. Let's go. So we're in the actual app right now, and up here we have the document section, we have the pricing structure, which we already went over, and we have the FAQ. And if we scroll down some, this is the wallet section, pretty self-explanatory. If you guys have Phantom Wallet or any kind of crypto wallet, you guys know how this stuff works. You basically copy your address, send some Solana over to this address, and let's get started. So I think you only need like 0.2 Solana. When it comes to trading Solana, you usually need around $25, $30 to get started. You don't need to put in ridiculous amounts of money to get started. All right. So before we jump into it, let's check out the buy and sell settings. All right. So over here on the right hand side, this is how we're going to set this bot up. You guys can copy what I'm doing, or, you can kind of customize it to your own likings. But for the buy amount, like I said, you always want to start small. As far as the priority fee goes, keep it just the way it is. You can always increase it if you want every transaction to land, but I'm cool with the 0.001. Slippage, we're going to crank it up a little bit. Default, it's set to 30, but let's bump it up to 50. The reason why we want to do that is we just want to make sure that we can get into the trade. So let's scroll down and let's talk about the sell features. So now when it comes to taking profit, you don't want to be too greedy and you don't want to rob yourself. So let's bump it up to 50%. So if you're putting $100 in, you're looking for $50 profit, pretty much. You're going to need a stop loss. You need to protect your money because you can't win every single trade, right? It's a probability game, but I like to leave it at 20% right there. As far as slippage goes, default is at 30. We're going to bump this up to just to 50 because we want to make sure that we can get out. So we're going to pay a little bit of premium for that. As far as the timeout goes, I'm going to leave it on 60 seconds. Priority fee, we're going to keep it at the 0.001. Trailing stop loss is a little bit too advanced. If you're just starting out, let's just go ahead and ignore that. And let's check out safety. So top 10 holders. A little bit complicated, but I'm going to simplify it. This is how you avoid those rugs. So I'm going to bring mine down to 25%. Not going to get into the details of it right now. You could just go ahead and copy my settings because I know you guys just want to jump into this stuff right here and start making some money. Max, same block buys. We're going to keep it at 10. And we're just going to keep the safety check period at 10 seconds. Liquidity burn. It usually takes some time for liquidity to be burned if you guys watch any of my videos. So I'm just going to leave that blank. And, you know, I'm just going to leave all of this blank because we're trying to snipe meme coins as they're launching. That's the whole purpose of this bot. So we have to leave a lot of this stuff unchecked. Only thing I'm concerned about right here is this one. Only tokens migrated from pump.fun. And that's it. That's it, traders. We are ready to run this thing. And like I said, we're going to do it together. If you guys are excited, hit that like button for me. We're going to run this bot right now. Let's go. Okie dokie. So right over here, we got a message. It says bot started sniping new tokens according to your settings at such and such time. Cool. So it's doing its thing. So I'm probably going to pause the video right here. It's just kind of like looking for the best meme coins right now as they are launching. So I'm going to pause the video. It might take a bit and I'll come back when we have some action. So right now we have some action going on. I have some messages popping up here, and what it's basically doing is skipping a lot of the garbage. Remember we talked about that? It's avoiding the rug pulls. So it's basically going through the settings that we have here and making sure that it sticks to our rules, which is really cool. It's a bot that's working for us. I'm doing nothing. I'm not manually trading. It's all automated. So I'm going to pause the video again and we'll be back when it actually finds something good. All right, so we are in a trade right now, and this thing is working awesome. Look at this. We could see the profits moving live. So wow. Let's see if we can expand this a little bit. Look at this. I'm up 11% on this thing. This is crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. I know we received a big dump right there. Could be just somebody selling, taking profits. Wow, look at it. See? Wow. I mean, that's how markets work, you know. We go up, we pull back, we go up, we pull back. Whatever, let the bot do its thing. Let's chill out. What I want to do is see if I could open one of these on Deckscreener to see what is going on here. See if I could pull it up. All right, so and we're on the 1 second chart right here. That's why things are moving so quick. Okay, pulled up this thing. All right, so we pulled up this thing right here. I'm not too interested in this. Just go back on over here to our bot. All right, so looks like we sold and we're all out. I didn't do anything. The bot did everything. But what I want to do is I want to pull this up on Deckscreener because I know that's what everyone is familiar with. So let's see what's going on with the Decks. I am human. However, I'm using a robot today. Is that okay? Here is what it looks like on Deckscreener. So right now, we could see that we sold and we have a buy sell right here, but I'm on the daily. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on the minute to see what I get here. So it looks like I bought about 1 minute in and I sold the very next minute. Wow, look at that. My sell is higher than my buy. What does that mean? Profit. But what we really want to see right here is the 1 second chart. So I'm just going to come down here, click on 1 second, and I'm just going to kind of maximize my chart right here. Okay, and double click on this. Start doing some zoom action. Alrighty. So it looks like, I'm just going to draw some lines right here. So it looks like we bought in this area right here, or the bot bought in this area right here, and we sold in this area right there. So, wow, I mean, I should have sold up here, but that was probably my settings. So I just wanted to do some test settings here. So I'm super excited to like really get into this. And I'm going to be making some more videos on Soul Sniper and how to really dial in and use this going forward. Like I said, this was just a test video. My point of this whole video was to just not manually trade. So I wanted to show you guys how to set this stuff up on autopilot and how fast and accurate this bot is. You could see that we launched right here, and not even 2 minutes in, we automatically bought. We survived this big dump right here, and we sold right there on my settings. You guys can customize the settings to how you like and set it up the way you guys want to set it up. I'm just going to go ahead and stop this bot right now. So down here, we can find Soul Sniper on X, formerly known as Twitter. They have a Discord, but I'm just going to go ahead and open their Discord, check them out really quick. So make sure you guys check out the Profit Trade channel right here. And if you guys need some support, you can always create a ticket, hit them up, get some help. Hit that like button if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.